Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to reset settings on iOS. First, we need to open up the settings. Those should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, write Settings, and open them up. Now just click on General, scroll down, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then click on Reset, and there it is, Reset all settings. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and bye.